Hello, queens and kings, and welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching, and welcome to all our new queens and kings. So in today's video, we will be creating these gorgeous, beautiful, glamorous, over-the-top decorative boxes. If you all would like to see how to create them, please continue to watch. Okay, so these are the boxes we're going to start off with. You have received so many of these boxes in your home, plenty of time. Remote controls come in them, some type of equipment pretty much that comes in them. Makeup as well, because as you guys can see, my top one here is a Fenty box where some makeup came in. I recycle it. But they are two different sizes, which you guys could not tell at this moment, but trust me when I say it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is basically remove all the scraps of flaps that we do not want on the boxes. Now, I kind of regret cutting this part here. Honestly, I was just winging. I wasn't sure how I was going to actually do this. I just knew I wanted some mirror and some bling. That's all I know. So once I take all this stuff out, all the content and everything that came in it, and cut off the additional parts and stuff like that, it actually just going to be a simple box once again. All right, queens and kings, so now that I have the box as simple as I want it to be, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree mirror here, and I'm just going to glue that directly on the top of the large box, which is what I'm working with now. I'm actually going to do the same thing for the second box, but which you guys will not see that because it's going to be the same exact thing. So after I get this all centered where I want it to be, I'm going to take this mirror reflecting paper that I purchased from Amazon. And I had it for a little minute now. I think they out of stock because it seems like once they load up, they be out of stock. But anywho, this is how the mirror paper comes wrapped all up. But I just put it on like a cardboard or so from the Dollar Tree because I was using this for another DIY, but it didn't work out. So therefore, I had to figure out a way to use the scraps. So I'm just going to glue this in the center going all the way around the box because as you guys can see, it's not the same exact size. If it was, I'd have filled the whole entire box with the mirror. Honestly, I really would. All right, queens and kings, so now moving along, we're going to bling this thing out. Now, here is a hack and affordable tip for you all. A lot of you guys ask me about a lot of the bling I have when I have bigger pieces, and this is how I get bigger pieces. I use a placemat or a runner. All these runners placemats came from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, Marsha, and now that all those stores are open, you may not can't find it right now, but you can find it. This is affordable way to get this bling wrap because a placemat only costs $7.99, and you can cut it down to the scripts and sizes that you want. Thank me later. Compared to where you're gonna go in Home Goods, Hobby Lobby and buy the little scripts for $5.99. Why not just get a placemat and cut it down to size and have plenty more, you know, or compare it to Amazon. But anywho, basically that's what I'm doing, cutting the placemat down to size to the scripts that I want, and every place on the boxes that does not have mirror is basically where I'm gonna glue all these scripts that I'm cutting this one placemat down to size to complete. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest. Oh, before I go, as you guys can see, I do have on my Crafty AF shirt. If you all would like to purchase this shirt, I will leave the company name down below, as well as the link, and a discount code says Valerie 10. So therefore you could get you a crafty as fuck t-shirt. Yes, I said it. It's no sugarcoated. But anyways, queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoying this video. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you just stopping by and enjoying the video or seeing what type of content I have over here. I do nothing but DIYs on this channel, and all of them is glamorous as me. Okay, queens and kings, so now I'm going to use these leftover bling that I had lying around the house. I actually think they are some little buckles or some earrings that I had and broke, or whatever the case may be, but I'm going to use these for the little handle to open and close the decorative boxes. And this is what they look like. I love them. You guys already know they are glamorous, and I just love them, love them, love them. I love these. I really do love these. I've been wanting to do them for a while, y'all. I'm telling you, these ideas be in my head, child, and I be trying to get them all out, but I be like, oh my God, somebody help me. So I did inside the box to put some fabric in there, just try to hide them, make them, so it does not see too much of the inside of the box look or whatever. I try to hide that as much as possible too, like blending it in or painting it, so therefore you really can't see it, but you still can see it. But it's okay, because they still glamorous, they still beautiful, and I love the way that they came out and they are storage, so therefore I could be able to hide some of the little small tic tacs and knickknacks that I have lying around my home. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.